Have you ever woken up realizing your Facebook ad spent way more than you expected? Here's the fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up an ad spending limit inside Facebook Ad Manager so you never go over your budget again. So, what you need to do to set up the ad account spending limit is first go to business.facebook.com/settings. In this area, you will see all the ads account on the profiles you have in it. So what you need to do, go to your ad profile in which you need to set up the spending limit. Let's choose this one. And when you are inside your business profile, you need to go to your ad account, the specific ad account you need to set up the limit. So in this area, you can do a lot of things. Business profile gives you a lot of functionality to set up rules and pixels and everything. So what we do here, we go to ad accounts and select the ad account which we need to set up the ad spending limit. So let's say this ad account, we need to set up the limit. For that, what we need to do, we will click here. We will click on this icon and click view payments. So in the payment method area, you can also add your payment methods, your card details, and how you want to pay for your ad spends. And here you can also set up the spending limit. So this area is really important for your ad manager, and you don't need to give permission full access to anyone else for this area because this holds your card information, your payment spending limits. So here what we need to do is click on this area, and here also you can set up the funds. So you can also upload the funds in advance for your ads, so you don't have to pay on the due dates. So whatever the funds you already have available in your ad account, it will be paid for your ads. So you don't need to pay in on due dates after you run ads. So we also have this option in ad manager in this payment area. So how you can set up your account spending limits is explained here. And what you need to do is click this pencil icon. So it says your balance reaches. So what it does, you have two different options. They will give you the date that on which date you will be automatically charged on your ads, on your due payments, or you can set up the reach limit. So whenever this limit is reached, you will get charged. Right now we have 122 euros our balance reach limit. So if we change it to 200 euros, it means if our balance reaches to 200 euros, it will deduct the amount from our payment method. Otherwise, it will keep running, or the fourth of each month. For Google Ads, the good thing is Google Ads charges you every 30 days. So it will not charge you on a amount reached. Sometimes they give you the limit that if you spend 300 or $500 in a time frame, they will charge you. But mostly they have a 30 days limit for auto charge from your payment method. So here what we will do, in your new ad account, there's always a small charge limit, like it will start from 15 euros per day. So whenever your ad reaches to 15 euros limit and is spent on the ad, it will give a charge on your payment method. And slowly Facebook increase that limit. So this ad account is a little bit older. So now we can go to 200 euro limit per month. So we just need to hit save, and it will save our new threshold for payment method. So it will refresh in few hours. It will go to payment Facebook system. It will be updated in few hours, and then you can see a new payment balance reach limit here. So whenever it reaches to that limit, it will charge from your card. So sometimes people get frustrated with small charges on their account, so and they forget to update this limit. So this is the place where you can easily update your limit and increase it to the amount where you want and feel comfortable to get charged every month from for your Facebook ads. And so in the end, here's a pro tip. If you're an agency owner or a freelancer, always set up a spending limit on your account. It controls your spending limit on your ad account and also build trust with your clients. I hope this video helps you to understand how to set up your spending limit in your ad account. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe the channel and take care.